This is our apartment at Excelsior. We'll start with the outside terrace, which is not private. If you look to your left, you can see the gate with the orange light on. This is the only access into the development between 12 and 3 and 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. in the morning. So if you look, you can see apartment block over there, which we think houses 3 to 4 apartments, possibly a little bit more. Then we've got several apartments here, and which actually go, if you look through the glass through the other side, there's some apartments over there as well below us. So in the evening we sit at the table having food, and we have up to 20 independent families walking through that gate and just gawping at us. So they go down that slope and then they come along the second slope that leads down to some stairs down to their apartments. So not private at all. We were then not wishing to be sitting outside as if we're on show. Let's say the terrace is not private. Then you go up these staircase, which then puts you in a communal area. As you can see in front of us, the door open is to our apartment. This is a communal area. There is usually, this is all full of bikes usually. You can see there's a remnants of a few left. So in the dark, you're liable to get a pedal in your shin. Then we have stored outside all our dirty linen outside the front door for the whole development. If we walk into the apartment, a mismatch of furniture. No sofa to sit down on, just 6 chairs. Then this is not an aircon, it's just a heater unit that blows or recirculates the air. You can see all the skirting is pulled away, exposing wires.
This is the only seating area.
Yeah, I've said that.
That's a bed.
That's a bed over there. We've got a dishwasher sitting on a unit with all exposed extension lead at the back and plugs. Not what I would call safe if the dishwasher leaks.
No work area.
No work.
Apart from on the table. Just the exit.
Hob with
No protectors
no
on.
protectors. Do you want to do this? Then we've got a fridge. The only way of cooling the fridge is the ice box on top, which wasn't on when we arrived, so it took 2 days to get any heat, coldness into it. The fridge doesn't shut properly, so if you leave it like that, all the cold air escapes and all the food melts. You have to use your foot to force it shut. All the cutlery, plates, glasses are all a mismatch.
Only 2 wine glasses.
Only 2 wine glasses. All the curtains are ill fitting. You'll see they don't go to the floor. Again, mismatch of furniture. Skirting again coming away. If you go into one of the bedrooms, again you can see all skirting falling away, exposed wires. Then you can just pull this unit away like any child could, and that just exposes. There you go, a bit of light on there, just a load of pipe work and cables.
Camp beds.
Camp beds, as opposed to a proper bed here, which is described as. And then we've got a plug socket that hanging off the wall.
Hold on, outside camera. No hanging space.
No hanging space in wardrobes. If we go into the other bedroom, this seems to be okay apart from a lot of exposed fuse boxes, conduit, a couple of mattresses to give their bed any height. We move into the bathrooms. We'll start with this one. As you can see, this is described as your shower room. You You can see the shower faucet and everything there. One thing that we discovered when looking at it, there is no drainage. So if you did have a shower, which I failed to see how you could, where does the water go? Does it come out onto the floor here? And then we get blamed for damage. So this is not a shower room. If we go into the main bathroom, I use the word loosely, turn the light on, got a mismatch of stuff. That's the shower. Shower door shut very well, you really have to force it. Sorry, just push it shut, rotate it. Can't even very easily shut it.
It's not easy for children.
So the kids, we're worried about the kids putting water all over. If you look at this, I'm trying to use the riser rail. That's all loose. As soon as you move it,
Caps not
well,
missing.
it does this, and then the riser rail just falls out on the floor, as you can see. Push that back in. Extent of the water pressure. Not great. And you get hot water out of the cold water tap, and then it goes cold, then it goes warm. So not ideal. Where's the other one? All skirt, all the architrave is coming away from the wall there. And as I say, all the bathroom furniture mismatched. The place looks like it's just been cobbled together. This is not what I would call a superior apartment.
Well, it's not described as superior, but it's not described as economy, which other ones are. So I'd
Right.
love to see an economy one if this isn't economy. Because this cost us a lot of money, and it's worse than the backpackers. And I've stayed in many of those when I was younger. This is not what we expected at all.
The only other thing that is socket there is connected, that's how the cooker's connected, so somebody could just yank that, again a child could just yank that cooker wire, and that'll be a heavy duty 30 amp.
Hang on there when it's been on, because there's nothing to indicate that it has been on. It's just shocking. Just shocking. So much so that we're leaving tonight to go and stay somewhere else, even though we've paid.